Well, hello, and here today on the Rusty Glovebox, we're looking out of the back porch here, and we have snow. Pretty uncommon sight around here, and it's, if you see on top of the fence there, it's about, I don't know, 2, 3, or 4 inches thick on top of the fence. So this is the most snow that we've had at one time in quite a while. Well, hello, and here today on the Rusty Glovebox. What we've been doing today is we've been playing around inside, being that we had snow outside, and it's been a first time in a long time that we've had this much snow. So we've had the 3D printer fired up, and we've been making a few things off and on this week. And so let me show you what we've got. Well, the first thing I made were these little caps that fit on the end of a circuit breaker. And if you have a circuit breaker that is used for a special purpose or something like that, the way this is made is it will attach to the end of the breaker arm, because it has a little ball on the inside that fits in that indentation on the trip arm, and you can just fit it on there. It's on there, won't fall off, and it doesn't interfere with the operation either way. So that was pretty neat. I have a bunch of these on breakers that I have in my house circuit breaker panel for when I have the generator hooked up, and I can just real quickly identify which breakers I want to turn on and off. Well, here I was going to show you my circuit breaker panel, and here's the generator transfer switch. It's manual, and what I've done is I've printed these, and they indicate the ones that the generator will work. I even made a 220 cap, and even these little double breakers right here, I printed a real thin cap for those to identify those. But that right there, I think, worked pretty good for me. I was pretty happy with it. Another project that kind of came to me, I had a screwdriver end off of a snap-on screwdriver, and the handle had messed up on it, and so I thought, well, that'd be a good project, think of a handle to put on there. And so this is what I came up with on it. It's a little tiki god type figure, and I fixed it to where I already had the hole printed inside the handle, and I just had to press the screwdriver bit in there, and so I thought that made a pretty cool project. And I may get some more just cheap screwdrivers and pull the handles off of them and make a whole set of these. I think they're pretty cool. And some of you may know, some of you may not, I'm building a forge, and I plan on putting a video out pretty soon about the fabrication of it. And you know, I had been told that every forge that you build, you got to have a nameplate for it, and so I've been working on that. And this looked okay, but really wasn't quite what I was looking for, because you really couldn't read it very well, and the figure, you couldn't see it real easy. And so that was test print 1. Here's test print 2, a little smaller, and it's about 2/3 the size that it would normally be. Still not 100% on it. I think I need to move the font around a little bit, maybe make the figure a little larger. But anyway, that's kind of what we've been working on here today on our snow day. Well, hey guys, I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.